An overflow of blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Exodus chapter 29 in verse 29 up to verse 30. After Aaron's death, his priestly clothes are to be handed down to each descendant who succeed him as high priest. And these clothes must be worn during the 7-day ceremony of ordination. So, this passage is about the succession of authority from one high priest to the next high priest, meaning from Aaron to his son. And it continues from one generation to the next generation. But let us remember that we are now in the New Testament era. So we are now in the modern world, and some practices of the Old Testament is no longer applicable to us. But we can view it as a biblical principle. And the biblical principle is the what I always call generational discipleship, wherein you as a parent will disciple your children to be your successor. And yes, in the New Testament, we are called to be a royal priest. So, part of our responsibility is to disciple our children, especially parents. Yes, you need to disciple your child or you need to disciple your children for them to serve God. And later, in case that God already take you there into His kingdom, then your children will continue what they were taught, what you taught them. So, and so your children will disciple also their children. So that's became a generational discipleship, and it became part of the culture and tradition of the society, which is discipleship.